So now let's learn basic and important part of creating a pattern. You can see the fourth option, fourth tool, polygon tool. You just single click on it. And now if I just single click, single click, single click, single click and single click. A pattern is created. Whatever I create, they create in the right side. You can see it on the 3D window. So now, polygon tool is a free tool. It is like a pen tool you see in Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. Someone who is familiar with it will find it very easy. Someone who is a beginner and who doesn't know the pen tool have to practice a bit. So how you have to use it is single click and then again long press and move it. Again click and drag. Click and drag. Don't leave the mouse button. You have to just click and drag. So this polygon tool works only for closed pattern. Definitely the name itself is a polygon. You have to create a closed pattern. If you just leave it, again double click, it doesn't work. The line still stays. So we have to close the pattern. So how to use it? Again, press, again click and drag, click and drag, click and drag and click. So you have to practice a little bit, then you will get it. So there is one more in the same tool. You have to just long press it, rectangle tool. You can just click and drag. Click and drag. Don't leave it. In the first click only, you have to drag it. Click and drag. Click and drag. So this is the rectangle tool. There is one more. That is ellipse. It works in the same way. Click and drag. Click and drag. Click. Click and drag. So if I want a perfect circle, while click and dragging, I'll press on shift. So I'll get a perfect circle. So I want to undo. How to undo? Control Z. Control Z. Control Z. Control Z. Control Z. Again, I can delete the patterns manually also. I want to delete this pattern. I'll just go and select the first tool. And I selected this and click on delete. Click, delete, click, delete. If I want to delete multiple patterns, what I do is click, again shift and click. I can delete it. If I again Control Z, it will come back. If I want to delete all the patterns, Control A and delete. All the patterns will be gone.